Tesla's humanoid robot is designed as a general-purpose physical worker that can help humans with real-world tasks. Tesla Optimus can walk forward and balance on two legs. It can squat down, move its arms and hands in various poses. It can grab, lift, sort, and adjust objects like placing blocks upright. Ameca isn't designed as a physical worker. It's a demonstration and interaction platform focused on human-like social behavior. It has extremely lifelike facial expressions, such as smile, frown, and eye movements, natural head, neck, and hand gestures. It can look at people and respond visually with realistic movements. Tesla Optimus can traverse uneven terrain and recover from slips using AI perception and motion control. It can improve basic sports like motions and coordination. It can perform light service tasks, like delivering popcorn or interacting at demos, though slower and simpler than humans for now. Ameca is built to interact socially. Listen, respond, and chat, often using integrated AI or connected language models. It uses onboard microphones, speakers, eye cameras, and facial recognition. It is designed to engage people in conversation, answer questions, and react expressively. Tesla Optimus aims to help humans in real environments, walking, picking up objects, doing chores, and performing factory or home tasks, but is still under development and not yet widespread in real-world use. Ameca is a social humanoid designed to interact naturally with people, with an expressive face, gestures, and conversation, but not built to walk around or perform physical tasks outside demos and research contexts.